Good morning, students. We are doing exercise 23G, in which we are doing area of circles and circumference of a circle. Now we will cover the topic concentric circles. In this exercise, there is concentric circles in which we have to find its area. Now, first of all, what is this concentric circle? Concentric circles are the circles which have the same center but different radii. How? If this is a center, we can take one circle. This is one radii, and there is one more circle with the same center, and at the outer part there is one more circle, and this is capital R. So same center but different radii are known as concentric circle. It becomes a ring. ये एक रिंग बन जाती है, एक पाथ बन जाता है अगर आपके concentric circles हो. So finding the area of concentric circles, or we can say finding the area of a ring, that is equals to pi capital R square minus small r square. Pi capital R square minus small r square. Or we can use one identity also. We will use this identity further, but for now, for the easy calculation, you can use it r plus small r minus small r square minus r square की small r square की identity होती है r plus r minus r. So for making calculation easy, we can use this identity also. Now, relating to this topic, we will see question number 10. In question number 10, find the area of the space enclosed by two concentric circles of radii 25 centimeter and 17 centimeter. Now, in question number 10, two circles are given. One radii, the radii which is greater, we will define it as capital R. Capital R equals to 25 centimeter and small r is equals to 17 centimeter. So finding the area of concentric circle, जो radii सबसे greater होता है, we define it as capital R, and with the smaller radii it is small r. Now, area of concentric circle will be equal to pi capital R square minus small r square. So it will be 22 upon 7, 25 square minus 17 square. As I've given you an identity for this, you can change it into that. 22 upon 7, 25 plus 17 into 25 minus 17. So 22 upon 7, 25 into 17 will be equals to 42. Into 25 minus 70 equals to 8. So 7 6 are. Now you will multiply 22 into 48. We can multiply. So after multiplying it, what does it come? 1056 centimeter square. So this is a area of a concentric circle with the area 1056 centimeter square. Now we will move forward with the question number 11. In question number 11, it is given a path of width 3.5 meter runs all around a circular pool having an area of 962.5 meter square. Find the area of the path. Now what is given? There is one circular pool. एक circular pool है जिसका आपको area given है, that is 962.5 एरिया ऑफ द सर्कुलर पूल. इसके आउटर पार्ट पे एक पाथ बनाया है. देर इज वन पाथ विच हैज़ अ विड्थ. इसकी जो विड्थ है, दिस विड्थ दैट इज गिवन 3.5 मीटर, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द पाथ. एरिया ऑफ द पाथ मतलब ये आपका शेडेड पोर्शन जो रिंग है, that you have to find. So we have to find the ring. It means we have to find the concentric circle, but we haven't got the radius. तो आपने सबसे पहले radius find करने. Area of circular pool, that is given 962.5 meters square. Now as we know it is a inner circle, so we can give it small r. तो pi r square equals to 962.5. तो r 22/7 r square equals to 962.5. R square equals to 962.5 into 7/22. Decimal you can take it out. So you will do this calculation yourself, and what you will get, 962.5 into 7 divided by 22. You will get 306.25. And you will take the root of this 306.25. It will come, R will come 17.5 meter. Do this calculation yourself. ये आप अपने आप करना, then you will get it. Now you got the R. आपको अंदर वाला R आपको पता चल गया. Now width is given. Width of the path is given 3.5 meter. इट मीन्स अगर आपको ये विड्थ पता है और अभी आपने स्मॉल आर भी फाइंड कर लिया, अगर आपने इसमें विड्थ ऐड कर दी, देन यू विल गेट द कैपिटल आर. सो व्हाट विल बी द कैपिटल आर? 17.5 plus 3.5 meter. So what you will get after adding it? 21 meter. Now you got the capital R also and small r also. Now you have to find the area of path that is a ring. तो फॉर्मूला क्या है उसका? पाई कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर माइनस स्मॉल आर स्क्वायर. होप यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ यू गेट द कैपिटल आर. जो आपका स्मॉल आर आया है तो कैपिटल आर फाइंड करना है तो विड्थ को ऐड करोगे. अगर आपको कैपिटल आर गिवन होगा और स्मॉल आर फाइंड करना है, यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट द विड्थ. ओके, सो नाउ अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला. 22/7 21 स्क्वायर माइनस स्मॉल कितना था? 17.5 स्क्वायर. यूज आइडेंटिटी. 22/7 21 प्लस 17.5, 21 माइनस 17.5. 22/7 इंटू ऐड करके आपका आएगा 38.5 माइनस 3 माइनस नहीं आएगा, मल्टीप्लाई 3.5. So after calculating it, you will get 423.5 meter square, and that is your answer. आपसे area of path पूछा था and path was in the shape of a ring. तो आपने ring वाला concentric area का formula लगाकर you have find the path. Come to question number 12. In question number 12, it is given a circular field of radius 41 meter. One circular field is given and the radius is given 41 meter. This radius is given. Has a circular path of uniform width 5 meter along and inside its boundary. पहले आपका आउटसाइड था, पूल के बाहर था पाथ, पर अब आपका अंदर की तरफ है पाथ. ओके, एंड दिस इज सेंटर. तो अब आपको अंदर की तरफ का पाथ दिया हुआ है. इट मीन दिस विल बी योर कैपिटल आर. ये आपका कैपिटल आर है. एंड विड्थ इज गिवन हाउ मच? 5 मीटर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस स्मॉल आर. तो हाउ विल यू फाइंड इट? रेडियस ऑफ circular field equals to 41 meter. Okay, that is a capital R. And width is given 5 meter. So what will be the small r? आपको अभी बताया था, जब capital R given and we have to find the small r, we have to subtract the width. So it will be 41 minus 5 meter. That is 36 meter. Find the cost of paving the path. Now, rate of path is given. Rate of paving the path, that is given rupees 25 per meter square. It means first we have to find the area of path, क्योंकि meter square में है rate. So you will find the area of path. So area of path, और वही आपका कौन सी शेप में है? रिंग. दैट इज इक्वल्स टू पाई कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर माइनस स्मॉल आर स्क्वायर. सो 22/7 41 square minus 36 square. 22/7. 41 minus 36 क्या करोगे? 41 plus 36. 41 minus 36. 22/7 into 77 into 5. So you will do the cutting. 22 into 55. What you will get? 1210 meter square. 1210 meter square आपका आ गया area of path. Now you have to find the cost of paving the path. So formula for that will be rate into area. So rate is rupees 25 into area is 1210. So you will get into 25, you will get 30,250 rupees. You will do the calculation yourself and you will find the cost of paving the path. It is a simple trick in these type of question. If capital R is given and you have to find small r, you will subtract the width. And if small r is given and you have to find the capital R, then you have to add the width. Come to the 13th question. The area of a ring is, now area of ring is given. It means area of concentric circle is given to you, that is 528 centimeter square, and radius of outer circle, that is given 17 centimeter. So outer circle means it is capital R is given to you, and you have to find the radius of the smaller circle. So यानी कि आपने find क्या करना है? Small r find करना आपने. How will you find it? As we know, formula for area of ring is pi capital R square minus small r square, and that is given to you 528. Area of ring given है, तो आपने formula apply करके equals to given area you have written. Now 22/7, capital R is given 17 square minus small r square equals to 528. See the calculation how I am doing it. First I will take this 22/7 to the right hand side. 17 square minus r square equals to 528 into 7/22. Now 17 square means 289. 17 का स्क्वायर मतलब क्या आपने करना है? 17 into 17, 289 minus r square equals to, this you can do the cutting, 528 into 7 divided by 22. You will get 168. ये सीधा आपका कट हो जाएगा. Okay, you will get 168. Now minus r square equals to 168. 289 इधर लेंगे तो ये भी आपका माइनस में आएगा, तो माइनस आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 289 minus 168. You will get 121. अब दोनों साइड माइनस है, you will cut it. So small r square is equals to 121. R is equals to under root 121. So r equals to 11 centimeter. So area, radius of the smaller circle, radius of smaller circle, you got it, that is 11 centimeter. First part आपका आ गया. Second part you have to find width of the ring. Width आपने find करनी है. How you will find the width? Width of ring, it means you have to subtract capital R minus small r. दोनों radius को आप subtract कर दोगे, you will get the width. 17 minus 11, that is 6 centimeter. So like this you have to solve. जब आपको width find करनी है, so like you have area of the ring will be given to you. So first you have to find the small or capital R, and after that width of the ring you have to find it by subtracting both the r's. तो capital R हमेशा बड़ा होता है, तो R capital R minus small r. Similarly is this question number 14. First try it yourself, then I will give you the solution for this. So for today you will have to complete it 10 to 14 in your notebooks with the proper calculation done. Thank you.